Trons! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our health tips and hacks. Today, we're diving into something that I know many of you are curious about: how to lose weight without spending hours at the gym. That's right! We're talking about the top 8 secret hacks to lose weight without hitting the gym. Let's jump right in! Tip number 1: watch your portions. Overeating, even when you're choosing healthy foods, can lead to weight gain. A great way to start controlling your portions is by using smaller plates. This psychological trick makes your portions look larger, helping you feel full with less food. Also, try to be mindful of your hunger cues. Eat slowly and give your body time to register that it's full. You'll be surprised how this small change can make a big difference. Tip number 2: stay hydrated. Next up is staying hydrated. Did you know that sometimes when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty? Drinking a glass of water before meals can help curb unnecessary snacking and reduce your overall calorie intake. Aiming for at least 8 glasses a day can also help boost your metabolism and aid in digestion, making it easier for your body to burn fat. Plus, staying hydrated keeps your skin glowing. Double win! Tip number 3: get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can mess with your hormones, particularly those regulate hunger. When you're tired, your body craves high-calorie, sugary foods for quick energy, which can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Not only will it help with weight management, but you'll also wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Tip number 4: manage stress. Stress is a major player in weight gain, especially when it comes to emotional eating. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. To combat this, try incorporating stress relief activities into your daily routine, like yoga, meditation, or even just taking a few deep breaths. Keeping stress in check can help prevent those late night snacks attacks. Tip number 5: mindful eating. In our busy lives, it's easy to eat while distracted, whether you're watching TV, scrolling through your phone, or working. This often leads to overeating because we're not paying attention to how much we're consuming. Instead, focus on your food. Take smaller bites, chew thoroughly, and really savor each bite. By eating mindfully, you naturally start to eat less and feel more satisfied. Tip number 6: cut back on sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are one of the sneakiest sources of empty calories. Sodas, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices can pack a ton of sugar that your body doesn't need. Instead, try swapping this out for water, herbal teas, or other low-calorie beverages. Not only will this help reduce your calorie intake, but you'll also feel more energized and less bloated. Tip number 7: increase your fiber intake. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to weight loss because it keeps you feeling full longer, helping to curb overeating. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your diet. Not only are these foods packed with fiber, but they are also rich in vitamins and minerals that your body needs. Tip number 8: plan your meals. Last but definitely not the least is planning your meals. When you're busy, it's easy to reach for convenient, unhealthy options. But with a little planning, you can have a healthy meals ready to go. Try meal prepping at the start of the week so you have nutritious options on hand when you're in a rush. This not only helps you to stay on track with your weight loss goals but also saves your time and money. Healthy meals that are ready to go and focus on weight loss are typically low in calories but high in nutrients, keeping you full and satisfied. Here are some examples: grilled chicken and veggie bowls, salad jars, egg white and veggie muffins, turkey and avocado lettuce wraps, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, cauliflower rice stir fry, tuna salad with cucumber slices, baked salmon and asparagus, cottage cheese and veggies, lentil and veggie soup, almond butter and apple slices, quinoa and black bean salad, shrimp and avocado salad, turkey meatballs with zoodles. These meals are designed to be quick and convenient while supporting your weight loss goals. They focus on portion control, high protein, nutrient dense ingredients, ensuring you stay full and energized throughout the day without consuming excess calories. So, there you have it, 8 secret hacks to help you lose weight without ever stepping foot in the gym. Remember, these tips are all about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.